this video, we'll learn about the responsive item scanning tool with an inbuilt barcode scanner that can be used to perform an inventory count by scanning barcodes without the need for any external devices. Users can use this tool on any handheld device, and it supports the scanning of lot-numbered, serialized, and simple items. When you log into NetSuite, navigate to Inventory Count and Item Scanning. This opens a responsive screen that is supported on any screen size and displays a warehouse selector. The user can either search for a warehouse or select one from the list below. So I'll go ahead and choose Hyderabad. The next step will show a bin selection screen if your chosen location uses bins. So again, you can search for a bin or select it from the list. Next, the system shows a screen that will ask you to scan an item. You can either enter the item's name or click Scan. When you choose to scan, it will open your device's camera. So, let's scan a simple item. Here, I just showed a barcode and it was scanned. We can now see the product's SKU and description. Since I scanned a simple item that does not use a serial or lot number, I will also need to enter the quantity and then submit when I'm done. Now we'll see how to scan a serialized item. So, I will once again hit Scan to open the camera and scan a serialized item's barcode. Once scanned, it will pull up the item's info. And now we'll scan the serial number for this item. To do this, I will hit Scan again to capture the serial number, which we can now see will be uploaded in the list below. We can scan any number of serial numbers for the item if needed, and then hit Submit when we're ready to move on. Finally, we will see how to scan a lot-numbered item. I'll first open the camera again by hitting Scan, and then scan the lot-numbered item's barcode. Once this is done, we can now scan the lot numbers, so hit Scan again and then upload the lot number. We will also be asked for the quantity of the item, so make sure to enter this as well. Again, we can scan any number of lot numbers for the selected item. When we're done, we can then click Submit. So this is how we can easily scan items with our device. We can also take a look at all the items that have been scanned in a day by opening the menu and then going to Scanned Items. This opens a list of all the items I've scanned on that day. With this, we can scan and submit items to this list, and once it is complete, the warehouse manager can look at the results under Inventory Count. Now we can go back to NetSuite and navigate to the Inventory Count screen by going to the Inventory Count tab and then clicking Inventory Count screen. On this screen, we can see a list of all the items that got scanned, along with their variances. It can now be used to make decisions about inventory adjustments. So, this is how we can use the barcode scanner in the Inventory Count app.